welcome again to Painting Explorer channel. You are still with me, Deni Junaedi. Today, I will invite you to my class, sketch class. It is the second lesson. I will teach about shapes, two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. Let's follow me and don't forget to subscribe Painting Explorer channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Before teaching about shapes, two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes, I criticize or analyze homework sketches by students. The task is line.
It is the good sketch for line by Ramadan. She can talk and still give a spontaneity in line.
Besides control and spontaneity, dynamical lines are very important. The sketcher must drive the volume of lines. For monotonous lines, I use analogy in music that just has one tone. These lines, by Jane, are the example of dynamical lines, as if there is a motor. Before sketch in front of class, I explain about the difference between form and shape, because in Indonesia, the two are translated as bentuk. On the one hand, forms relate to all visual appearance such as lines, colors, textures, and shapes itself. On the other hand, shapes just relate to external boundaries of things. These are divided into two-dimension and three-dimension shapes. This three-dimension is just perceptual illusion.
Okay, I will practice sketch shape. The first is two-dimensional shape, and the second is three-dimensional shape. It is the same ink, Chinese ink, but different mark. Okay, you can choose anything. Simple shape, for example, you must sharp again. Don't afraid if the shape is not perfect. Rectangle. You can do in one line or like this. Or triangle. you must create three-dimensional shape. Okay, that is our lesson today. Please create at least like tomorrow 25. Thank you. But in 1 year you must create at least 1,000 sketches. The happiness of teacher is when he see the students better than himself. That is my class. Thank you for watching. To update my videos, please subscribe Painting Explorer channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.